Howdy.
Finally, you're here. Even though I've asked you so many times and yet you never answer. Just answer this question for me. Do you want to buy a boat?
I'm sorry, Father, but you already know my answer. It's no.
Take my baby, please. No, you disrespect me. You disrespect Giovanni. You disrespect Giovanni the second. You disrespect Giovanni the third. You disrespect my wife. You disrespect Don. You disrespect Antonio. But most of all, you disrespect my grandmama. So, I just going to ask you once again. Would you like to buy a boat?
Father, I'm over here.
Thank you. Now, yet again. Would you like to buy a boat?
I don't want to buy a boat.
It's sad for a father to do this to his own son.